If you're looking for a stylish new home in Leicester, the Orchard beckons as a charming heaven for students. Offering a blend of comfort and affordability, this accommodation boasts premium studios and two-bedroom apartments for you to choose from. Step inside to discover fully furnished rooms featuring plush beds, sleek study desks, and ample wardrobe space, accompanied by modern kitchens and private bathrooms for utmost convenience. But the allure doesn't end there. Indulge in leisurely moments in the outdoor gardens, socialize with friends in the common room, and save money at the laundrette at the on-site laundry facility. Plus, with free high-speed Wi-Fi and 24/7 CCTV surveillance, every need is catered to. Located just a stone's throw away from Montfort University and a short drive from the University of Leister, you'll never have to worry about long commutes. And when it's time to explore, venture out to savor the delights of Knight and Carter's legendary brunch, soak up the laid-back vibes of Firebug, or indulge in retail therapy at High Cross Leicester Mall, all just moments away. With supermarkets like ASDA within walking distance, your weekly grocery shopping will be a breeze. With everything you need and more right at your doorstep, make the Orchard your home right away. Visit amberstudent.com to book today.